Good morning students. Hope all of you are fit and fine. I am Miss Karima. Welcome to the RKP online classes. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is addition, and our first topic will be addition facts. Before going to start our topic, we will watch a video.
Today, let us revise the addition concept and its properties with Miss Mary. Good morning, students. Let us revise the concept of addition first. What do we mean by addition? Addition is the process whereby we put objects together. Let us see how. There are 25 long books and 32 small books on the table. How many books are there in all? Let us add 25 and 32 to find the total number of books. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Thus, the sum of 25 and 32 is 57. There are 57 books in all on the table. Do you know the terms used for the numbers in an addition? Yes, the numbers that we add are called addends. And the total we get after adding the numbers is called sum. In the example just solved, 25 and 32 are addends and 57 is the sum. Remember, the words in all, altogether, total, sum imply addition. Now, let us revise the addition properties. There are 3 addition properties. They are 1. Zero property of addition. 2. Order property of addition. 3. Grouping property of addition. Zero property of addition. Let us take the numbers 315 and 0. If we add 315 to 0, we get the sum 315. And even if we add 0 to 315, we get the sum 315. Any number is the number itself. Let us take the numbers 182 and 316. When we add 182 and 316, we get the sum 498. Now, let us change the order of addends. Let us add 316 and 182. Again, we get the sum 498. Hence, 182 plus 316 is equal to 316 plus 182. Order of the addends does not change the sum.
So students, hope you enjoyed the video, and our first property is order property. As you have seen in the video, there are 2 properties, order property and zero property. So first we are going to discuss the order property. In order property, number can be added in any order, their sum will remain in the same. Means if I add 3 plus 7, I will get 10, and if I add 7 plus 3, the answer will be the same. Means if you add in this order, or if you add either in this order or in this order, both answers will remain same. So there are some fill-ups given to you on the basis of order property. So if you add 8 plus 17 and here is equal to sign is given to you. So plus 8 and what will come here? 17. Right? Because it shows the order property of addition. Similarly, if you add 5 plus 20 equal to 20 plus what will come here? 5. Means answer 25 and here the answer will remain same. Okay? Do these questions by yourself. So students, our second property is zero property. Means when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Means if you add 0 in any number like 32 plus 0, you will get the number itself. Okay? Similarly, you can do in these fill-ups. 61 plus 0 will be the number itself. Means 61. 404 plus 0, 404. Okay students, this shows the zero property. When you add 0 to any number, the sum is the number. So students, our third addition fact is when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the number after, means that will be the successor. So let's have an example. If you are given 81 plus that 82, how will you get 82? When you add 1 and this is your successor. Successor is the same definition. When you add 1, you will get the 82 answer. So students, here some fill-ups are given to you on the basis of successor. 143 plus dash is equal to 144. How will you get? When you add 1 here, right? And similarly 1 plus 99. 1 plus 99 is equal to 100. In short, we can say when you add 1 to any number, answer will be your successor. Means 82 is the successor of 81. Okay students, do these questions by yourself. Now students, our second topic is addition by expanding numbers. First of all, what do you mean by expanding number? When you write a number as the sum of place value of its digit, the number is said to be in expanded form. Like we will take an example. If you are given 45, how will you write in expanded form? Means 5 will come at 1's place and 40 will come at 10's place. That is the place value. Okay. Now I will take another example, 54, and if I write in expanded form, this will be 4 will come at 1's place and 50 will come at 10's place. Now add it. 5 plus add 1's place and 10's places. Okay. Now add 5 plus 4, 9 plus sign will come as it is. 0 plus 0, 5 plus 4, 9. This is your expanded form. When you will write in standard form, this will become 99. So students, with the help of expanding numbers, you can also add it. If you add here, your answer will be the same. 5 plus 4, 9 and 5 plus 4, 9. Means both answers are same. Okay. If you add like this and if you add in expanded form, both answers will be same. So students, here we will take some more example to make this clear. Okay. You have given 34 plus 62 and you have to add by expanded form. Okay. Now first of all, 34, when you write in expanded form, what will you get? 30 plus 4 and 64 will be 60 plus 7. Okay. When you add it, start addition from the 1's place. 7 plus 4, 11. If you get 2-digit number, then you will again expand it. If you expand it, what will you get? 10 plus 1. Okay, 10 will come in tens place and 1 will come at ones place. Okay, now add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So 0 will come here. This addition sign will come here. Now add it. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Okay. Now this is your expanded form. Now convert into the standard form. 100 plus 1. This is your 100 place value and this is your ones place value. So when you add it, you will get 101 in the standard form. Okay. Now come to the second question. When you take 28, expand in expanded form. This will be 20 plus 8. Okay. Now add 34. 30 plus 4. Now add it. When you add it, put plus sign here. When you add it, 8 plus 4, 12. If you get a number greater than the 9, means 2-digit number, you will again expand it. So expand it. 10 plus 2. 2 will come here and 10 will be the here. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Plus sign will come also. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Now this is your expanded form. When you will convert into standard form, what will you get? 62. Your answer will be 62. You can check your answers by adding these two numbers also. 8 plus 4, 12. You can do it in your rough space. Okay, 8 plus 4, 12 and 3 plus 2, 5 or 6, 62. Both answers are same. Okay, do these questions by yourself.